In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Now, you have to start by turning on the watch itself. So go ahead and ensure it's turned on. And then from here, you want to go ahead and choose which language you're going to set up your watch in. So go ahead and select your language. And then you're going to need to ensure that Huawei Health is installed and set up on your phone. If you don't know how to do so, I will leave that video linked down below, guiding you through that process. So once you've successfully installed Huawei Health and you've signed into your account, you then want to go ahead and just navigate to devices and then select add device. It should automatically detect your Watch 5 Fit Pro. If it doesn't, then you're just going to scan the QR code that will be provided. So go ahead and just select connect, tap on OK, and wait for the connection to be established. Then confirm that you wish to pair on both your phone and on the watch itself. Give the necessary permissions when prompted. And then tap on continue on your phone and just finish setting it up. Now just tap on next or press on the button or swipe right to exit the setup. Once you've done that, you'll then be brought to your home screen of your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. And that is how you can successfully connect it to your Android phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.